Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will help you out with rewinding all of your travel memories and relive it with your art. Start off by showing you the various types of trees that you are gonna need to know in order to draw mini pen art. So grab a piece of paper and pen and let's get doodling. On second line, doing variation of pine tree. For that, firstly draw triangular shape with help of pencil. And you can change it up depending on the line's directions going out. Another variation of this is adding bundle of 3 triangles in the center. And with pen, only bordering outer area. And then this one is you just have to fill up area with directed lines. Then finally I have this one that kind of looks like a tree with less leaves. This is kind of abstract. These ones are more loose. You don't need to be very exact with it. And just adding some leaves. These are the pretty much all of the tree shape that I do when I am drawing my traveling memories. This is also with less leaves. Now this too is simple one which we always used to draw in our childhood. And now simple shape and adding some abstract lines in it. And now with a leaf shape and filling it with the same pattern. Now you know all the tree shapes, it's time to move forward to vehicles. Just draw the simple geometric shapes together and give finish lines with pen. Car is simply rectangle plus semicircle and truck is rectangle plus small rectangle. Giving border line with pen and while doing bus be little detailed. It's time to put it all together with the very simple mini pen art. And just draw the simple tent with the help of tilt triangle and connecting it with tilt rectangle. Adding very simple pine trees and now doing stippling on tent area. For stippling tutorial, you can check out my another video, mentioning link in the description. You can do one bonfire with the help of 3 round stones and wavy pattern on it. And very firstly adding bus for this one with details. Doing one bonfire and tent again with some pine trees. Adding mountain in the background and filling upper part of mountain with the hatching lines. Even for a hatching tutorial you can check out my another video. Again, you will get link in the description. Now showing you cityscape because right now that is also missed. And then loosely drawing wavy road. I kind of just imagine what road used to look alike and then filling them with lots of rectangular shaped buildings. And one sun which is not totally visible. And then later I am gonna do car and some noisy pattern. In between adding some trees and some houses with detailed patterns and forms. and just kind of adding some more buildings because that's what city is made up of. If you are craving for some more art inspiration, be sure to subscribe this channel and stay tuned.